In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a stand in Plus Donate in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. Close Plus Donate and from desktop open any of the browser and go to roblox.com and log into your account. Here you have to click on create. Now from left side, click on creations. Here select your default place. Then from left side, scroll down and click on passes. Now click on create a pass. Here you can change this default pic if you want. Now type any name. Then scroll down and click on create pass. Now click on the pass you just created. Then from left side click on sales. Here toggle on item for sale and set any price. Then click on save changes. After this go back to Plus Donate game and go to the empty stand and hold down key E to claim the stand. After this all your passes will appear here. And now people can come over here and donate this Roblox account. If you want to edit your stand again, hold down key E and now you can make changes in your stand. So that's how you can make a stand with Roblox in Plus Donate in just few easy steps.